Cabo San Lucas, and welcome to the Viviana Sportfishing Fishing Report. Today is March 23rd, 2019. We're right in the middle of spring break here in Cabo, so we're up to our you-know-whats in spring breakers down here. And beautiful weather. Boy, you can't beat this. It's a beautiful blue sky. I'd say about 85 degrees out today. Evenings are just perfect to have dinner outside. So everybody come on down and visit us here in Cabo. Let's get to the fishing report. This week has been a little slow. We had a full moon, a big giant white supermoon they called it, and hit the marlin action, fell off quite a bit because of it. But if you like the bottom fishing, the small game fishing, that has been really, really good. You'll see on some pictures here, a couple very good days of red snapper on the 26-footer with my Captain Victor. Also on the Viviana 1 with Captain Nick. A couple very good days of some really beautiful red snappers out there. Had a couple good days of Sierra, the Spanish mackerel. Very, very good eating. Little grouper, little snapper, little pompanos. Victor on the 26-footer got some rooster fish one day, which was beautiful. And actually yesterday on the second chance, they did have marlin. That was the first marlin we've actually seen all week. So that was a good thing. Hopefully that's for better things to come. We have seen some tuna this week a little bit. The other day on the Viviana 4 with Captain Chivo, he actually got a couple good-sized tunas. Very good eating, as all of you know. And today on the Viviana 1 with Captain Nick, they already sent me some pictures of some tuna. So they found the tuna out there. I'm assuming certainly not close to shore. They went out on a full day. So I would think they're probably a good 25 miles out for the tuna today. That's kind of it. I wish I could give you a better report, but that's the time of year it is. The water's still cold, and it's only going to get colder from here, probably about 67, 68 degrees, but it has gotten a lot bluer, which is nice, but still cold weather out there. So please stay tuned. You'll see all of our pictures that we've taken over the week for all the fish that have been caught, a couple videos out there. And also I want you to stay tuned this week. We are going to be putting videos of each individual boat with its crew so that you can meet up close and personal each crew member and see all of our boats inside and out, again, up close and personal, so that you can make a great choice of which boat you guys want to fish on while you're down here. If you have any questions at all, you can always reach me on my 800 number, 800-270-7804, or look us up on our website, vivianasportfishing.com. I'm looking forward to seeing you all down here in beautiful Cabo San Lucas. Bye!